This video will show you Brightspace and your Spartan Voyage checklist. Let's talk about Brightspace. You'll access Brightspace from Okta. If you haven't yet logged into Okta, please watch the Logging into Okta at Aurora University video first. Brightspace is a learning management system, which basically means it's a digital platform for instructors to organize course information and for students to access syllabi, assignments, and grades. Each instructor will use Brightspace a little differently, so make sure you know the expectations from your instructor up front. To get you used to using Brightspace, we'll utilize it to organize some of the things you need to complete over the summer. Again, you'll access Brightspace by logging into Okta and clicking on the Brightspace tile. Your Brightspace homepage should look something like this. Right now, you'll just have two courses, which, by the way, aren't really courses. You'll see the Mathematics Placement exam, which we'll talk about later, and the Spartan Voyage course. Let's take a look at that course by clicking on the Spartan Voyage tile. Here you'll see two sections, Tasks to Complete and Resources. Resources will populate throughout the summer with videos and messages from different campus departments. Let's start by clicking on Tasks to Complete. You'll see a number of assignments or tasks for you to complete throughout the summer. You'll want to get started on a few of these right away because they need to be done before you register for classes. Let's click on the first task, Pre-Registration Survey. We'll then click on Open Survey, and this will open a pre-registration survey that will ask you questions about your major, extracurricular schedule, interests, etc. Your advisor will use your responses to prepare for your registration session either during an individual appointment or at AU 4U Embark. Please complete the entire survey and then submit it. The next checklist item to complete is your Math Placement exam. You'll also want to complete this before registering for courses to make sure that you're starting in the correct math class. After clicking on Math Placement exam in the left menu, click on Open Link to access the exam. This will take you to the Mathematics Placement exam Brightspace page, which you also saw when we first logged into Brightspace. Click on the Mathematics Placement exam tile. Read the directions carefully, and then click on the Aurora University Mathematics link in the left menu under Mathematics Placement exam and click Go to Quiz. To start the exam, click Start Quiz at the bottom of the page. Once you've started the exam, you'll have 90 minutes to complete it. There's no need to study up for the exam or to stress about your placement. This is just meant to place you in the correct math course for your skill level. The last checklist item to complete before registering for classes is to upload your ID picture. To do so, go back to your Brightspace homepage, click on Spartan Voyage, and click on Tasks to Complete. Then click on Upload Your ID Picture on the left and click Go to Assignment. The next page you see will have steps to follow to upload your ID picture and requirements for your picture. To complete this task, click on the link that says Aurora University Virtual ID Upload in the assignment and follow the directions. You may need to log in with your Okta credentials to access the Virtual ID Picture system. Other checklist items will get emailed to you throughout the summer, so make sure you're checking back regularly to complete anything outstanding and to view the resources page as items get added. Now you've started your Spartan Voyage. For questions about logging into Brightspace, please contact the Information Technology Services Help Desk by calling 630-844-5790 or emailing itshelp@aurora.edu. For questions about your Spartan Voyage checklist, contact your academic advisor or email advise@aurora.edu.